Good morning, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rina Hastumia Anggi Yulianata from class A. In here, I would like to present my thesis seminar presentation with the title An Analysis of Bilingualism used by the guest star of Poila ID Podcast YouTube channel. Chapter 1 A Background of the Study. Language is the way to interact for other people to create a good communication, where through language we understand what is being said or what other thinking are so that other people can explore their feelings. Entertainment in Indonesia are very popular. Today is a podcast. The podcasts are audio recordings that can be listened to by the general public via the internet. The podcast is usually guided by a moderator or presenter. People who master more than one language is called bilingual or multilingual. Bilingualism have three types. There are compound bilingualism, coordinate bilingualism, and subcoordinate bilingualism. Puela ID Podcast is YouTube channel made by Cinta Laura Kiel and as a moderator. In the Puela ID podcast, there are some episodes used two types of bilingualism. In episode Prilly Latukonsina, the guest star used compound bilingualism. The coordinate bilingualism have one episode. The episode is Yuki Kato. The Puela ID podcast is unique in terms of language, such as English and Indonesian. See the unique use of bilingualism. The writer want to be analyzed with title An Analysis of Bilingualism used by the guest star Puela ID Podcast YouTube channel. B. Problem statement. Based on the research background, the researcher analyzed bilingualism employed by the guest star of Puela ID podcast. The problem statement of this research are as follows. 1. How many types of bilingualism employed by the guest star of Puela ID podcast consist of A. Compound bilingualism in episode Prilly Latukonsina. B. Coordinate bilingualism in episode Yuki Kato. 2. What functional types of bilingualism employed by the guest star of Puela ID podcast? See the objective of the study. The researcher has objective of the study to answer the problem statement. There are the objective as follows. 1. To analyze the types of bilingualism employed by the guest star of Puela ID podcast consists of A. Compound bilingualism in episode Prilly Latukonsina. B. Coordinate bilingualism in episode Yuki Kato. 2. To analyze the functional types of bilingualism employed by the guest star of Puela ID podcast. D. The benefits of the study. The researcher have a benefit of the study to give benefit for another people. There are the benefits as follows. 1. To the reader. To give information types of functional of bilingualism employed by the guest star of Puela ID podcast. 2. To the researcher. to enrich the researcher's understanding to bilingualism use in Puella ID podcast. Next, Chapter 2, Theoretical Review. A. Definition bilingualism. Bilingualism is the habit of using two or more languages alternatively. According Mackey and Fishman in Caire and Agustina, bilingualism is defined as the use of two languages by a speaker in association with others in turns. The level of mastery of the language depends on each individual who uses it, and bilingualism can be said to be capable both languages. First on mother tongue or first language or L1. And the second is another language which is his second language or L2. B. Types of bilingualism. 1. Compound bilingualism. A compound bilingual is that person who learns two languages in the same environment, so that who acquires one nation with two verbal expressions. In the brain, there is a fused representation of two languages which are interdependent. 2. Coordinate bilingualism. A coordinate bilingual is instead person who acquires the two languages in different contexts. For instance, one at home and the other at school, so that words of the two languages belong to two separate systems which are independent. 3. Subordinate bilingualism. Subordinate bilingual is when they are proficient in one of the two languages. This language in which they are proficient is usually the mother tongue, but now with great proficiency as the other language. C. Functional of bilingualism. Becker states these 5 actions which need attention when studying functional bilingualism. 1. Who is a subject and who is a speaker? 2. Who is a language target and who is a listener? 3. What is the situation? 4. What is the topic of conversation or context? And 5. For what purpose and to what effect language is used. The previous study. Previous study of this research are 1. Sakinah Nur Hidayati, Deden Ahmad Supendi, Hera Wahdah Humaira had analyzed the use of bilingualism on YouTube Boy William channel. The researcher describes the form of bilingualism on Boy William's YouTube channel in the episode of #NebengBoy. Boy learns a lot when meeting up with Jokowi. 2. Putu Sutama had analyzed the bilingualism of speakers and shifting patterns of Balinese language. This research examines the social-linguistic phenomena of the Balinese language or BL in the province of Bali, specifically about the bilingualism of speakers and the resulting impact, which is a shift in the function of language as communication medium of Balinese culture. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. A. The type of research. The research is conducted by qualitative approach because the result of the data analysis isn't descriptive phenomenon such as words, sentence, and utterance. In this research, the writer will describe the types of bilingualism and function of bilingualism in Puella ID podcast. B. The data and the data source. The researchers in this research use Puella ID podcast to data source, and the data is dialogue in Puella ID podcast, including English bilingualism employed the guest star use. C. Method of data collecting. In collecting data, the researcher uses two methods. There are 1. Documentation. The researcher records of Puella ID podcast YouTube channel, then transcribe the record of this channel Puella ID podcast, which contains of bilingualism. The data of this research are collected by the documentation method. There are A. Recording. The researcher records the utterance of bilingualism speaking by the people in the podcast. B. Video. The researcher uses video to perceive the causing factors of the bilingualism. C. Transcribing. The researcher transcribed the recording into writing from the dialogue of the podcast. 2. Content analysis. To collect the data, the researcher used data card. The researcher watched the Puella ID podcast YouTube channel, and after, the researcher gives a code on word that contains of bilingualism. Then, the researcher classifies the word into kinds and functional of bilingualism. D. The data method and data analysis. The data analysis based in the following steps. There are 1. Collecting. Collect all of bilingualism done by Yuki Kato and Prilly Latukonsina as guest star in Puella ID podcast YouTube channel. 2. Identifying. The technique of tabulating is used in this step. The overall utterances are containing the types of bilingualism and the function of bilingualism done by the guest star. 3. Classifying. Classifying is grouping the data according to types and function of bilingualism. The researcher classified data into types and function of bilingualism. 4. Coding the data. Coding is giving code in data according to types and function of bilingualism. The purpose is to see different one to the other. 5. Tabulating. Tabulating the data analysis types and function of bilingualism are done by the guest star. I think enough in my presentation today. Less and more I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.